The ORION Cobalt Series CTW2.0NEO tweeter delivers strikingly crisp, high frequencies that cut through road noise without sounding harsh or tiring. Its compact super bullet design with a neodymium motor makes it easy to fit into tight car audio installs while still feeling solid and well-built. The aluminum diaphragm and 1-inch voice coil work together to handle sustained power cleanly, so vocals and cymbals stay detailed even at very high volume. With 100 watts root mean square and 400 watts peak power handling at 4 ohms, this pair has more than enough headroom for aggressive sound pressure level focused systems. The built-in high-frequency crossover simplifies installation and helps protect the tweeter from damaging low frequencies, which is especially helpful for first-time installers. As part of Orion's Cobalt line, these tweeters offer a strong balance of professional-style output and everyday reliability that suits both daily drivers and show-oriented builds.